The main text of educational computer is all of the above. HTML is used to create web page. The data obtained on the basis of appropriate tool is primary data. A compiler is a software which converts high-level language to machine language. Tim Berners-Lee's, best known as the inventor of the World Wide Web, latest project is titled Solid. Sabir Bhatia founded immediately after selling Hotmail to Microsoft for US $400 million. Arju.com. Shiba Ayadurai is renowned for procuring a copyright for email. What is the format when magnesium is burned? S. In Microsoft Excel, the function returns the smallest value among the values passed as argument. Min. M-I-N. The machine language of computer is based on Boolean algebra. The father of computer is Charles Babbage. PSW stands for Program Status Word. Those floppy disk does not have a virtual memory. Shortcut K to go to last line in the document. CTRL plus int. Which of the following is not a computer language? Lotus. MS-DOS is a space operating system. Command line interface. Which one of the following statements is not true about Li-Fi? It is operated by optical fiber network. Which of the following is correct sequence of smallest to largest unit of storage size? Kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, petabyte. Means option D is correct answer. Portways that support communication among the various electronic components on the system board are called bus line. Name the 4 layer of OSI model. Transfer layer. 1 kilobyte means 1 KB in binary system is equivalent to 1024 bytes is correct answer. Means option B is correct answer. The first electronic digital computer of the world is ENIAC. Means A option is correct answer. In computer terminology, CAD stands for Computer Aided Design. MS-DOS is a DOS operating system. Command line interface. An example of an internet search engine is Bing. Option C is correct answer. Which one of the following devices is required to connect a computer to the internet? Modem. Option D is correct answer. Computers on an internet are identified by IP address, means C option is correct answer. What does HTML stands for? Hypertext Markup Language, means option B is correct answer. Which network protocol is used to send email? SMTP, means D option is correct answer. Rearranging and allocating space in memory to provide for multiple computing tasks is called memory management. C option is correct answer. What is used to identify whether a data word has an odd or even number of eyes? Parity bit, means C option is correct answer. Slowest internet connection service is dial-up service. SMPS stands for switched mode power supply. Firewall is used in communication network system for protection from unauthorized attack. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. Word processing, spreadsheet and photo editing are examples of application software. In IT terminology, failure in the kernel is called as crash. In binary code, the number 7 is written as 111. Compact disc, according to the original CD specifications, hold how many minutes of music? 74 minutes. In which generation of computers transistors were used? In the second generation. Which of the following is not an input device? VDU. ALU stands for arithmetic and logical units. What type of process creates a smaller file that is faster to transfer over the internet? Compression. The term Pentium is related to microprocessor. Which of the following is used to manage database? DBMS. Which of the following is the most powerful type computer? supercomputer. Which of the following is an example of non-volatile memory? ROM. The first mechanical computer designed by Charles Babbage was called analytical engine. Unsorted transaction that can use to immediately update database is called instant database access. LED, LCD, CRT are the names related to different types of monitor.